Good evening everyone. Hope you are all doing great. So today I will be describing about sports karate, which is I am going to be describing in detail about tournaments in sports karate. So sports karate involves two things as per I have explained in the previous sessions. Kata, imaginary fight, and Kumite, real fight. Kumite real fight I will be explaining in the next session about the basics of Kumite and its understandings. Today I'll be going up and talking about kata and how the tournament system in karate works. Before that, I would like to ask all of you a question. Do all of you want to hear good news or bad news? And of course, everyone wants to hear good news. So the good news is in kata. Also, kata not only has choreographed movements but also contains a lethal form of self defense and also hidden techniques of self defense. So coming to the point now, I will be describing about kata in tournaments, how the tournament procedure works and how it happens. So in in a tournament it involves a red mat and a blue mat. Red is called ao and the blue is called red is called aka and blue is called ao. So in karate in tournament we call the mat as tatami. So basically, in a kata tournament, it involves about 7 judges, and it involves five scorers. So in each, it is all divided. The tatami is divided into different pools, about various different pools, about 11 or 12 pools, which involves katas from different dojos and different international countries also. So basically, how the kata tournament works is one is the scoring system. The scoring system is determined by the judges on how you perform the kata and the basis of kata. So a kata performance involves 70% technical performance, which involves stances, techniques, transitional movements, correct breathing, timing, synchronization, focus on time, and conformance. So 70% technical performance. Athletical performance, which involves strength, speed, and balance. So they decide on the basis of technical performance. Decide on the basis of how you sit the stances, how you perform the movements in the fast move, how you perform slow movements in a graceful and rhythmic manner, how you perform fast movements in an organized manner, how you balance in actual situations, how do you balance well, how do you keep your composure, then how do you perform speed movements, how do you use your strength. All of that they see in a kata, as well as your body language, confidence, skills, etc. As per I have shown in the previous session about kata sessions, as per shown in the previous session about the bunkai, which is the application of kata's karate practical self-defense system. I have demonstrated about how we perform these speed movements, how we perform the grace and rhythmic movements. I have demonstrated a particular kata. I will be demonstrating the katas in the next sessions for all of you to understand. Just today I will be describing about kata, how it works in a simple manner. So they are the scoring system where the judges give scores contains about 0 to 10.0. 0.0 involves disqualification. 5.0 involves insufficient performance. 6.0 is aggregate performance. 7.0 is good, which is expected level for international performance. 8.0 is very good. 9.0 is excellent, and 10.0 is outstanding. So basically, the players who are karate aspirants aim to reach the top level, which is the Karate Premier League. First, they need to get selected for the A Series, Karate Premier League, and then they need to get selected for WTF tournaments, which I'll be explaining in the next sessions. So now I'll be going on to disqualifications. So what are disqualifications basically? Normally, kata players have normally there are other disqualifications, but as far as I know and I have the knowledge, I'll be sharing with you. The disqualifications include failing to bow at the start and end of the performance, announcing the name of the wrong kata and performing the wrong kata, belt falling off by performing the kata exceeding 5 minutes of the limited time. Then in a kata tournament, hachimaki, headband, and other religious ornaments are not prohibited. They are not, they are forbidden, are not supposed to be worn. Then, then anytime you are not supposed to break the rules of the WKF. So that is all today, and hope you guys enjoy the show. Please like, comment, subscribe, and also give your feedback on how, on my positives, negatives, and areas of improvement, how I can build and improve my channel. So I would like to end with a quote for all karate players and non-karate players also who are seeing this. Before that, I would like to give some suggestions to karate aspirants that this video is very useful. So please watch it. And also, I suggest, in order to get more details, read the WKF contents, its rules and regulations, etc. And for non-karate aspirants, this will be useful as it helps to understand in detail what is karate and its essence also, and what are the lessons we can learn from sports karate, the competitive sport of karate. So I would like to end with the quote that "sow today, strong tomorrow." Thank you. Have a great day.